In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background on Tradingview to truly make it your own. Whether you want to enhance the visual appearance to suit your style or simply make it easier on your eyes, adjusting the background can make a significant difference. First things first, we need to begin by navigating to the Tradingview website. Open your preferred web browser and type in tradingview.com. This is the hub for all your charting needs and where you'll be customizing your background. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with several options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Charts or Super Charts. Click on it to get started. Now that you've clicked on Super Charts, it's time to focus on the chart interface itself. Here, you'll find a detailed display of market trends that may look a bit overwhelming if you're unfamiliar. To access the customization options, simply right-click anywhere within the charting area. By doing so, a context menu will pop up with various settings you can adjust. It's a treasure trove of customization waiting to be explored. The next step is to click on Settings from this menu. Upon selecting that, you'll notice a range of tabs designed to tweak your chart's presentation. Focus your attention on the one labeled Canva, because this is where the magic happens for background changes. Within the Canva tab, you'll find options that allow you to fine-tune everything related to your chart's background. You'll see the existing background color prominently displayed, along with a palette of new colors to choose from. This is your canvas, so feel free to select a color that best complements your style or makes the chart more readable. It could be a soothing blue, a bold black, or even any hex color code you input manually. The choice is entirely up to you. After you've settled on a color you love, it's essential to apply your choice by clicking OK. This will finalize the selected settings and update your chart to reflect the new background. It's a simple step, but crucial to ensure that all your customizations are saved and visible the next time you log in to Tradingview. And there you have it. Your Tradingview is now restyled with a personalized background that perfectly suits your viewing preferences. By following these easy steps, you can transform your charting experience and make your workspace not only functional, but also visually appealing. Thanks for watching and happy trading.